Welcome to Rayasam Recipes. Today I will be showing you how to make upma roti or uppittu roti. Let's check on the ingredients. So I had leftover upma at home which my family rejected to eat, so I converted into roti. So let's see how to make it. I have 2 cups of leftover upma, and then I have 2 tablespoons of crushed chili ginger, 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of boiled lilwa papadi, finely chopped dill leaves, salt to taste, and little bit of jeera, oil, and I have some water to make the dough. So let's start. You can take your upma. Mine is vegetable upma. So since it already has salt and all the spices, be careful while adding it. And I'm adding the leaves. Mash it nicely. Adding crushed chili ginger. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jeera. Mix it up nicely. Now let's go ahead and add the rice flour. Mix it. Add salt according to the taste because upma already has salt, so be careful while adding. Make sure you don't add lot of salt. Add little by little water to make a soft dough. So this is what we are looking at. I'm adding little bit of oil just to cover it. So now the dough is ready. Let's start spreading it out on the pan. So here I have 2 different kinds of pans. I'm taking kadai and also a pan. So let's take a big ball and then start spreading it with your fingers. You can use water in between so that the dough don't stick to your hands, and spread it with your fingers. And make holes so that the roti will be crispy. So this is the pan. It's the same way. Apply oil, take some dough, and then start spreading it out with your fingers. Use water in between so that the dough don't stick to your hands, and you can spread it out as thin as possible. And put some oil on top and turn on the stove and cover the lid for a few minutes. Keep checking the roti in between. Now you can see it's all nicely done, and you can see it's roasted. So at this point you can turn the roti and let it cook on the other side. So I have given it 1 or 2 minutes. Now the roti is done. It's nicely roasted on both the sides. You can see it's very thin and crispy. Let us take it on a plate. It looks so yummy. So my kadai roti is also done. So for this you don't have to flip. It's already cooked nicely. Now we are going to remove it onto a plate. You can see the nice shape of the kadai. it's all nicely roasted on every side. So while making the second roti, since the tawa will be hot, make sure you run cold water on back of the tawa. Don't run it on the front. So the tawa will be cooled down, and now you can start rolling another roti on this. It's the same process again. Apply oil and start spreading out the roti. So you can follow this process for each time. Make sure the pan is not hot. It should be completely cooled down. Please do try this recipe. It's really yummy. Thank you for watching.